Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing my very first Bluetooth stereo speakers from RAEGR. It's called the RAEGR AirDrums 400 truly wireless stereo Bluetooth speakers. We usually see stereo speakers in a single unit, while this one has two individual units and can be quite effective. These speakers are sold as a single unit and a 2-pack unit, and we have the 2-pack one, and it's priced around 1700 rupees. You can buy it on Amazon or TWS official website. As of now, price is slightly lower on the TWS website. You can get extra 5% discount if you use the TWS coupon and 7% discount if you follow them on Instagram. Now back to the unboxing. So guys, here's the box. At the center we have a preview of the speakers, and in the top left corner we have the RAEGR branding and its name AirDrums 400 on the right side corner. At the bottom we have some of the highlighting features. Inside the box we get two speakers, each with 3 watts output. They have a compact design, 520 mAh battery, and supports Bluetooth 5.0. On the back it has few more details. Now let's open it up. First we have the speakers itself, and they are quite compact. Next we have a user manual, 2 lanyards or wires to carry the speakers, and finally we get 2 charging cables as well. Now these are the speakers. They look exactly the same. There's a micro USB charging port at the bottom. It has a mic and an LED indicator at the top. We can also answer calls using the master speaker, more on that later. Finally, on the back, it has a hole for the lanyard and 2 buttons. One with a mic symbol on it to answer calls, and the other one is the power button. Now the pairing process is very simple. First we need to turn on both Bluetooth speakers. They'll flash blue light at the top. Next, we need to double tap the power button on one of the speaker. You can pick any one of them. Now this speaker will act as a master and pair with the second speaker. After that, master speaker will enter pairing mode and the blue LED indicator on the top flickers. Now we can connect these speakers to your phone. Just turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and look for RAEGR AD400 and then connect to it. Once connected, master speaker acts like the left channel and the secondary speaker acts like the right channel. Every time you get a call, you can press the first button on the master speaker to answer the call. Even if you try it on the secondary speaker, it doesn't work. Now for the review, these speakers are really good, especially considering the price. At normal volume for a quiet room usage, it's pretty great. At maximum volume, there is a bit of distortion, but that's not a big deal. These speakers are not about the loudness, they are about stereo effects, and it works really well. You can understand better if you hear it on a speaker. Here's a quick preview.
Warning, this video contains flashes and moving images.
As these are truly wireless Bluetooth speakers, you can place them anywhere, you can put them apart, and you can still get that stereo effect, which is something you don't get with a regular stereo speaker. And this is the selling point for these speakers. Now while you're using these speakers, if you turn off the secondary speaker, master speaker or the primary speaker will act like a mono speaker. If you turn off the master speaker, even the secondary speaker turns off automatically. Connectivity speeds and Bluetooth range of these speakers was also quite good. There is a bit of lag while playing games like PUBG, but for regular media like songs and videos, it's not a problem. Like most of the Bluetooth speakers out there, call quality isn't that great on this one. It works, but it's more like an add-on feature and not something you might want to use. Now finally, the battery life of these speakers is also pretty good. I got more than 7 hours of battery life while using both speakers at the same time. I guess the only downside or the only inconvenience with these speakers is we have to charge them separately. Something like a dock mechanism would have been great to charge both speakers at the same time. So guys, overall, if you are looking for a truly wireless Bluetooth stereo speaker setup, I can definitely recommend this to you. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to know more about these speakers, link for that is in the description, do check it out. And if you have any questions about it, comment below this video We'll get back to you as soon as possible. With that said, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.